birthday. Oh! Ano saan nilagay mo sa wallet mo yun, ha?
Alright, ito na guys. Sige, doon tayo sa gitna. Ito ba yan? Ito mga Darren addicts are very familiar with Darren's journey. So, even yung mga personal stuff about Darren, alam na nila. But you know what, Ken? I'm sure you know some details that we don't know about. So, can you give us two things?
Oh my
Pwede
God.
yung mga secret sana. Sana yung sana. Sana, yun, yung alam nyo lang. So, Ken, what?
Kinakabahan ako sa'yo.
Give us the details.
It was nice knowing you, bro.
Oh, ano?
No, Darren,
Basta.
dami. Darren, every time I go to his house, which is so many times per week, pero I always see na, so nervous. I always see ang daming damit sa living room niya kasi they're always cleaning out clothes and he's always giving his clothes
Yes.
to people in need, just like me.
Aware ng people in need.
Yeah, he's giving his clothes to like he's so blessed. Actually,
Ay, kailangan din namin yan.
damit niya.
Oh, tsaka nakikita ko sa comment section mo minsan, ay,
Yes.
parang pamilya yun na din mo.
A lot of the things that I keep wearing and he gives it to me, so yeah.
Lalo na kasi ano, when you're on a daily show like Showtime, kasi kayo, inaano nyo pag nag-uulit ako ng damit. Hindi ko rin ako nakapag-ulit ng damit. Buti lang may pet shop ako. Hindi ako kailangan mag-ulit ng damit. Thank you, pet shop. Pero yun, kaya pet shop na rin sinusuot ni Ken kadalasan. Yeah. O ano ba?
Ano? Are you good? Or you have another one?
Wow, yes, ano mo?
Another entry.
He's a very, very great person to shop with. Yes, because he has a lot of pera. Well, sobrang generous siya. There's so many times that I'm so surprised that, you know, he'll just show his love and just bless other people, and he's blessed me so many times. But also, he also is a very invested in every decision when you're shopping. He gives talagang his true opinion to help you and gives good advice on whether he thinks that you should get it based on if it looks good on you or if it's bad for you or even if it's actually not a good financial spend. He's very smart in those ways and he's very helpful and very caring and invested talaga siya when we're out shopping.
Very practical siguro.
So, in other words, nanlilibre si Darren. And he's such a great stylist.
Yes!
Wow, alright. True naman, you accept.
Eh, yeah, okay naman. Thank you. Kinakabahan ako sa ano yung sinasabi niya habang nagsasalita.
Ayun na. Sarado na. You keep the rest of your secrets.
Thank you. All good things.
Alright. Okay, so of course mga Darren addicts, you ask questions also, diba? So it is time for Darren to answer them for you. Which is why I put it down and I'm gonna check out your questions, okay? Tatawagin ko yung mga nagtanong. Tapos tanongin niyo mismo si Darren. Diba? Okay. Let's hear from Rachel. Rachel, where are you? Lapit lang kayo dito, Rachel. Ay, grabe naman. May pa-flowers na siya. Oh. Darren, can you please accept the flowers?
Oh, wow!
Oh,
Salamat.
so sweet.
Wow!
Oh, ito na Rachel. Sige na. Itanong mo yung question.
Question is, ano ang pinaka-favorite na gift na na-receive mo noong may birthday?
Ano yung favorite na?
Pinaka-favorite gift na na-receive?
Actually kasi, parang ano eh. Siyempre bukod sa mga binigay ng Donelatics, napaka-OA ng mga kaibigan ko kasi sinurprise ako ng yate sa birthday ko. So, ayun. And yun, they surprised me with a yacht trip. after showtime, alam mo yung sinabi ko sa akin na may show daw ako sa Tarlac, gano'n. Tapos nagdadasal talaga si Lynel dun sa sasakyan na sana makatulog si Kuya, sana makatulog si Kuya. Para pagising ko nasa Subic na. Kasi may Manila Bay naman, ewan ko kung bakit sa Subic. Pero yun, okay kasi hindi ko in-expect. Expect talaga ako na makakatanggap ako ng pera sa birthday ko. Pero okay lang kasi daramdaman ko talaga yung pagmamahal ng friends ko, ng family ko. They all really planned it out very well yung yacht trip na yun. Kahit gabi na kami nakapunta sa dagat, nakapag-night swimming pa rin kami in the ocean and everything. So it was a lot of fun. Yung nga sayang out of town ko kaya wala siya doon. Pero yeah, siya yung nakakuha ng pera sa birthday ko, hindi ako. Pero yun, maraming salamat sa friends and family ko. Tsaka, itong mga parties na hindi ko in-expect, hindi naman yung plinano, like from 7-Eleven, and also my Showtime family, present din yung City Cafe doon sa birthday party ko sa Showtime. So that was one of the many gifts na na-receive ko din. So, ayun, ang hirap mamili ng isang gift eh, pero ayun, sobrang na-enjoy yung 24th birthday ko.
Alright. Thank you so much for your show. Sana kasi ang masasagot niya. Ay, happy! Puno-puno, right? Okay, next question is from Zambales. Ayan, dahil natin Zambales. Kelvin! Kelvin, naman ka? Ako magtatanong ng question na. Alright, Kelvin, this is your magaling ko. Ako magtatanong ng hero. Oo. Okay, sige, dyan.
Saka suot na yung suot ko dun sa poster. Hindi ko makakita. Wow! Nahanap mo talaga. Ang galing. Wow!
Piece of cake.
Yeah. Very little things sabi. Okay.
Alright, this is the question, Darren. O, sige na lang. Sige, mabilis.
Tara.
Alright, before I throw that question, may I help you for
Yes! Maraming salamat sa pagpunta.
Yeah, because that is my love language. This time, let's talk about love language. Darren, what is your love language? And when or who the person you give and receive that one?
Ang dami sumisigaw. I feel like you would know what my love language is. I feel like it's everything, no? Yeah. Parang I don't know, my love language is gifting. Yun nga, sabi ng clingy ako sa physical touch. Quality time. Ano pa ba? Ano yung mga ibang love language?
Kahit you guys are not...
Kahit wala kami ginagawa.
Yeah, like we're not talking or we're not doing anything. Kahit we're just next to each other. Gusto niya.
Nandiyan lang. Okay. Ano pa ba? Ano yung mga ibang love language? Acts of service, receiving gifts, lahat ng yun. Pero I give all of those love languages, pero kahit yung ma-receive ko, isa lang okay lang sa akin. Kasi magkakaiba naman tayo. So yun.
Happy na. Alright.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Calvin. Alright.
Thank you.
Ano, actually, tapos na tayo sa questions. Pero sabi natin, i-push pa natin yung mga tanong.
Okay.
Pero guys, I will just, ask the question. Kung yung wala ka nag-say hi, okay? Pero, itatanong mo na sayang naman kasi mga entries nyo. Okay. This is, the time na
Kahit na tayo,
Sorry.
kahit.
Tama naman yun. Okay. Alright, let's go back on stage. This question ang tanong, okay? Ang tanong sa pag-una, happy birthday, Gar. Keep making music, albums, please. Ano daw yung favorite song mo at the moment? Ayan. This is from Brian Jesse Suarez.
Favorite song at the moment? Parang ang dami, pero naka-repeat yung priceless ng Maroon 5 ni Adam Levine sa ni Lisa of Blackpink. So parang every day I hear Priceless at the moment. Tapos after that, it's Gnarly by Cat's Eye. Parang anywhere I go, I hear Gnarly. Saka, ayun, we're performing at sa ASAP on Sunday. So, panoorin niyo po. Yeah, those two songs.
Stay tuned, guys. Alright. Okay, now next question. Aside from your family, what is the one thing that inspires you to live right now? This is from Teds and Danica.
Alalim na naman tanong ko. To live right now, what else inspires me? I feel like I have so many goals for myself na parang I want to keep doing more, I want to be able to achieve more. Tsaka po, yun nga, parang since love language ko rin yung gift giving, gusto ko pa makapag-ipon para makapag-share sa ibang mga mahal ko sa buhay, no? Pero yun, yeah.
And people did. Like all of you guys and all of his friends and his family, this guy works so hard for everyone.
Baka OA.
Yes! So many people count on him, and he shows up every time.
Yes, akala mo may ano ako eh, may tatlong pamilyang binubuhay. Pero tatlong aso lang talaga yung binubuhay ko sa bahay. So yun,
Deserve naman nila.
maraming salamat.
Alright, congratulations, Darren. Ito, another question. Kung may magandang opportunity na darating sa'yo sa Hollywood or Broadway, if okay ang schedule mo, G ka ba?
Ako, I've always wanted to be part of a Broadway music. I mean, not even Broadway, pero like sa theater. Tsaka meron ng mga ibang nag-audition ako, pero kasi yung schedule talaga hindi kinakaya. So hopefully in the future, kasi nakikita ko rin like it's never too late. Like, even Tito Gary Valenciano is doing Joseph the Dreamer again this July. So parang na-inspire ako lagi sa kanila. Si Sam Concepcion din. Si Ken is part of Joseph the Dreamer also pala. So yeah, hopefully one day, malay natin. Tsaka a Hollywood project, syempre, sino ba namang tatanggi doon? If it's the right project for me, why not? Okay.
O yan. So, G siya, pero kailangan niya muna ng movement kasi napaka-busy niya dito with the Philippines. That's from Ate X, by the way, that question.
Okay.
Alright, next one. If you are a coffee flavor, what coffee flavor are you? And in Filipino, kung kape ka, anong flavor ka ba? This is from the Dexy. Dexy.
Basta masarap.
Wow! Siguro sweet black yung ininom mo kanina kasi simple lang pero mabibigay ko yung kailangan mo. Yung kailangan mo. Saka gusto ko sabihin sweet ako minsan. Minsan. Ano pa ba? Yeah, yun. I'm very low maintenance, katulad ng sweet black. Yun, ay sa Americano lang, tsaka ng syrup okay na.
Okay. O, tukilit ko magtanong. Okay, next question. May plan ka bang magtayo ng sariling business?
Wow.
If meron anong line of business siya, pagkatina, either. There you go.
I feel like having a business, hindi ko alam kasi lalo mo rin kaibigan na artista na may mga sariling business. So parang ako, for now, okay na muna ako sa investments ko sa, yun yung tinuro ng mga magulang ko, invest in properties. So yung mga lupa, okay na muna ako good for now. Pero parang in the future, why not to start a business, I feel like it takes a lot to it. So kailangan ko kailangan ko talaga aralin. So, malay natin, pag pumasok na ako sa college, kasi 5 years overdue na ako, isa yun sa mga i-take up ko, yung business also.
Okay. Smart investment ka nito si Darren. Okay, we can't wait for you to go to college, pero gawin mo muna lahat ng projects mo, ha?
Yes.
Alright, next question. Gusto malaman ng mga Darren Natics mo, kapag walang ganap or work, ano bang ginagawa mo sa buhay-buhay?
Gawa ko sa boy pag walang work. Ba't bang layo mo? Dito ka sa tabi namin. Ito kasama ko pag wala ako sa trabaho. We're at the gym, or we're watching a movie at my house or outside.
Sobrang sipag sa gym, oh!
Wow! Magpaka-OA. Pero, ayun, pag hindi niyo ako nakikita sa showtime, it means, katulad ngayon, I'm absent because I'm with you guys, with my 7-Eleven family, and I'm either shooting something else or I have a show out of the country or out of town. So, ayun,
He likes watching movies.
mga horror movies. Eto natatakotin siya minsan. So gusto ko siyang tinatakot na mga nanonood kami ng horror or thriller.
He
What
likes
else?
eating a lot of food.
Yes.
Sobrang takaw.
Oo, sobrang takaw ko. Pero, what else? I feel like that's it. Aside from shopping, yun yung mga ginagawa ko when I'm not working.
Wow. Actually, sabi nila kasi, gagayahin nila yung mga ginagawa mo daw. That's why we needed to know. Oh, you guys know na, ha? Alright. Okay, next question is, kung magpapatuloy ka sa pag-aaral, well, let's go back to school. Sa college, ayan, actually na-mention na yan. Anong course daw specifically ang kukunin mo at bakit?
Eh nga po, sa tingin, siguro business, since I feel like magagamit ko rin siya sa buhay ko in the long run. Pero nung bata ako, gusto ko talaga sumunod sa yapak ng parents ko sa medical field. Pero parang ang hirap pala talaga nung pinag-aaralan nila natin. Also yung ginagawa nila sa buhay. So, ayun, siguro mag-shift muna ako to business outside of the medical field. Ayun.
And syempre, support tayo ng bayan natin. Yes!
Sana makapag-enroll na ako soon. Ewan ko, parang, ano kailangan talaga ng time sa pag-aaral.
And classes.
Yeah, I need to find a school.
Well, there you have it, guys. Let's support Darren all the way. Right, guys? Thank you so much for all of your questions. Talapakan nyo.
Yeah.